Hello everyone, welcome back to SR Tech Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new Microsoft 365 mailbox in a hybrid environment using an on-premises Active Directory server. In our setup, users are created in Active Directory first, and then they are synchronized automatically to Microsoft 365 using Azure AD Connect. Let's get started. Open Active Directory users and computers on our on-premises AD server. Navigate to the appropriate organizational unit, OU, where you want to create the new user account. Right-click the OU, select New, and then click User. Now enter the required user details, including the first name, last name, display name, logon name, username, and select the appropriate user principal name, UPN domain. Click Next to continue. Now create a strong temporary password for the new user account. If you want the user to create their own password when they sign in for the first time, you can enable the user must change password at Next logon option. Now click Next, review the information, and then click Finish to create the new user account. The user has now been created successfully in Active Directory. Now let's open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Since we're using a hybrid environment, the new user won't appear immediately. The account needs to be synchronized from the on-premises Active Directory to Microsoft 365 using Azure AD Connect. Depending on your organization's synchronization settings, this process may take around 20 to 30 minutes. After the synchronization is complete, refresh the active users page. As you can see, the new user has now been synchronized successfully and is available in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. The next step is to assign a Microsoft 365 license. Select the user, click Licenses and Apps, choose the appropriate license, and click Save Changes. Once the license is assigned, Microsoft will begin provisioning the mailbox. This usually takes a few minutes. Now let's verify that everything is working correctly by signing into Outlook on the web using the new user's email address. Now let's verify that the mailbox has been created successfully. I'll open a private browsing window and search for Outlook on the web. Next, I'll sign in using the new user's Microsoft 365 email address and password. Since this is the first time signing in, Microsoft will ask us to configure multi-factor authentication, MFA. I'll enter a mobile phone number, verify it using the one-time password, OTP, and complete the security setup. Once the verification is complete, click Next to finish the setup. As you can see, the mailbox opens successfully, which confirms that the Microsoft 365 account and mailbox have been created successfully. And that's it. We have created a new user in our on-premises Active Directory, synchronized it with Microsoft 365, assigned a license, and successfully accessed the mailbox through Outlook on the web. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to SR Tech Lab,